Hello, Sotheby's crew. I just wanted to do a very quick 5-minute video. My name's Brooke Corcoran, and my sister wanted me to send you some information about the essential oils that her and Patricia use. And I just wanted to do kind of a mini education to give you a rundown of why you would want to purchase them from doTERRA, the #1 essential oil company in the US, I think maybe currently the world, honestly, because they are international. But they have pure essential oils, so the stuff that you would encounter at the drugstore or maybe the grocery store or even Whole Foods. Is usually not 100% pure. It's got synthetic fragrance and filler oils in it. And the doTERRA oils, the cost difference is because it's the pure oil. They do 3 types of testing on the oils, and they make that available to the public through a website called sourcetoyou.com, and a code is on the oil that you purchase to let you know to look up the testing for that oil. So they kind of have a tagline that they're the most tested and the most trusted within the industry. So what you're paying for is what you're getting, and it's really, really high quality. This is the size of a bottle. It is 15 milliliter, so it's going to be much larger than many essential oils on the market that come in 5 ml bottles. So it's 3 times the oil. Lasts a lot longer. A 15 ml bottle can last you anywhere from 6 months to 18 months, depending on daily usage. And so you definitely are getting what you pay for in terms of quality and quantity. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know essential oils are wonderful for the body. Unlike synthetic drugs, they are absorbed into the cells of the body rather than going through the metabolism, so they work very, very quickly, anywhere from 22 seconds to 2 minutes. And so when you guys are diffusing these oils, you're getting the emotional benefits and the health benefits pretty quickly. And plant-based products are going to really work in conjunction with our bodies so much better than other things. So these are distilled from plants, and they are very potent and powerful for the systems of the body. That's why they help with respiratory function. They help with, hair growth. You name it. And essential oils are really, really good at supporting the body's functions and healing itself and helping to fight off things that are hurting it. So anyway, I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. And the promo this month is when you place a 200 PB order. So if you guys are interested in getting into essential oils and you've maybe been on the fence and you want to do a starter kit, this month's promotion would really benefit you, because when you buy a starter kit at 200 point value, you get all these different freebies. Wild Orange, which is one of my favorite oils, as well as On Guard, which is an immune boosting oil and protective blend that keeps you from getting sick. The hand sanitizer spray that doesn't contain alcohol and is so good for, it smells like apple spice. It's really good for using in the office. And then the toothpaste that they have as well. So those are some options that you can get those as freebies, those 4 items. And if you want to go ahead and get a starter kit, I'm going to include a link down in the description that you guys can either purchase, become a wholesale customer, kind of like Costco, at $35 a year, and you can pick and choose either a starter kit to start off with, or you can purchase oils piecemeal, whichever ones that you're really interested in. But the starter kits are really great because you don't have to pay the $35 membership fee. It's free with a starter kit. And then also you usually get a free diffuser. Most of the starter kits have a diffuser in the kit. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, I know the ladies have been diffusing oils in the office. Those are going to be available to you and for free. And those last for a really long time, unlike the $10 ones you get on Amazon. What else? So I'll include those links below. And if you guys have questions, feel free to respond to the email that Blair forwarded to you with more detailed description. But I thought a video would be helpful. I've been using oils for, over 2 years. I use it for my skin, my hair. I'm 9 months pregnant, basically, and I've had a wonderful pregnancy because the oils have supported my body and really made this so much easier. So essential oils are just phenomenal, and I'd love to get you guys started. So any questions, send them my way. Feel free to purchase via the links, and I hope you guys have an awesome Tuesday, I believe. And talk to you later. Bye.